Hey guys, Sean here from Tesla Family. It finally happened. Unfortunately, I got a crack in my front windshield. Yesterday, I picked up a stone from the road here, and it impacted the windshield here, and it didn't take long to start spreading. It actually spread all the way up to the top of the windshield and down and curving around. So yeah, really bummed about the crack in the windshield, but the good thing is my insurance company, Progressive, I do have a zero deductible for glass coverage, so it won't cost me anything to repair. While the Tesla Service Center is not part of their preferred provider program, I was able to select Tesla for my preferred repair location. And what I ended up doing then was I went on my app and I booked an appointment to get the windshield fixed, and that is scheduled for next Friday. So it will be more than 10 days out, but hopefully the crack doesn't grow too much further, and we'll check in here closer to when the glass gets fixed. Hopefully everything works out on time and they have the windshield in stock and ready to install when I drop the car off at 10:45 next Friday. Hey guys, I'm here at Tesla Service Center in Rockville, Maryland. Just about to drop my car off here to get the front glass fixed. You can see that I still have that crack here running from the top of the windshield down underneath the autopilot cameras. The plan is to drop the car off right now, and then hopefully within a few hours, maybe later on this afternoon or before they close, we'll be able to come pick it up and we'll have a brand new windshield. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, just getting back, almost home here from dropping off my Tesla Model 3 at the service center for the glass repair. Got an update from Tesla. It's going to be until Monday. Today's Friday, so through the weekend. They said the car should be ready by Monday. I don't have a loaner car, but they did give me $100 per day of Uber credit. I just took an Uber home, and we'll see what Tesla says throughout this weekend with updates. Hey guys, good news. I just got word this morning through a text message and through my Tesla mobile app that my car, Flash, my Model 3, is ready to be picked up. The car is basically down at Tesla service in Rockville, Maryland through the weekend. I dropped it off on Friday to get the front windshield replaced, and excited to pick it up this morning. I'm using the Uber credits that were provided to me by Tesla to take an Uber Black back to the service center to pick my car up. So here we go. I am back in my Model 3. I'm here at the Tesla Service Center in Rockville, Maryland, and the new windshield is in. Looks great. The total cost for the windshield was, let's see here, including taxes, $1,008.26. And the great thing is that I have $0 deductible glass coverage with my insurance provider, so I can submit that right to them and get reimbursed for that. So really happy with the service that Tesla provided for this repair of my windshield, and it looks great. I'll show you here. And there used to be a crack right here that went down under the camera, and it's not there anymore. So all set. And the car came back with the autopilot all calibrated. So I took it on a test drive and did that for me, so I didn't have to worry about that when I get on the road. They also charged my battery up. I brought the car in with a 30% charge and brought me back up to 80%. So really happy.